Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do an updated video on Trophy Skin Microderm Abrasion Machine. So I've done a couple of reviews on it. I did an initial review, I did a updated review, and this is an updated review because there's some new attachments. So you are going to, I'm going to talk about it, and you're going to actually see me using the machine, and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts on it. Okay, like how do I feel about some of these new attachments? Okay, I'm kind of filming this. You might see me looking different in the end of the video, since I might be filming it on another day, because I'm filming this to talk about it, then I got to film doing it, and then, okay, you get the idea. Really quickly, if you are new here, we'd love to have you join us here. I talk about skincare, makeup, fashion for mature ladies. We'd love to have you join. So grab a cocktail or grab a cup of coffee, whatever you like, and join us here. Just click that button below and hit that subscribe button. Also make sure after you do that, make sure you click that notification bell too, because I don't want you to miss out on any of my content. This Microderm abrasion machine was sent to me a couple of years ago from Trophy Skin. This is not a sponsored video right now. I'm just telling you, I'm just being real that they sent it to me, okay? And this mirror looks kind of gross, but okay, whatever. I don't use the mirror. I don't get the mirror thing, because what I do is I put this on. I do it in my bathroom, over my bathroom sink, so I have a mirror there, so I don't need this. But I guess if you had a vanity, you could set your vanity and do it. I just do it by the sink because it does suction the dry skin, but sometimes it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? So I want to get that in the sink. To get this mirror, this is the suction little attachment right here. And I'm just going to go briefly over this because I've already shared it a couple times. And then you get your little attachments in here. You get the little filters in there. You get some other attachments, a little cleaning brush, and then the little rubber band things that I've never had to replace yet. And then here is where you set your, you have your settings, and there's a test setting on it. So you can kind of, you know, press that first, and you'll see it in the directions. You can try that first, see how it is, and then you can increase it to what you think you need to do. So let me talk about some of the new attachments that I'm going to use on this machine that I've not used. This one is the Precision Diamond Tip, and this one is, it says you can use it around the delicate eye area. So I will try this on my eye, but I'm going to tell you I'm nervous about it, because here's the thing. If you use this, you have to use this on the lowest setting. That is extremely delicate. So when we put our eye makeup on, we don't want to pull or tug it. And even when you're using this under it, it is very, I'm doing it on my hand right now, the back of my hand, and it doesn't feel really rough. This would be the only attachment you would use on it, because this is the one made specifically for it. Now, this one is for the body. This one I will try on my arm. I think you can use this on your feet, this one. Oh. So this one you can even use on your feet. So I will try that. And how to clean these, I shared it in the first video. You can just get jewelry cleaner, silver jewelry cleaner. So just take a brush and just dip it in there, and then, or just here, because you have your in there. Okay, so what you do is you take the brush and just dip it in there, and then scrub it like that. I don't think you want to put it in there if you had your foot skin on there. It'd be kind of gross. These filters just pop off like this, so you're going to see when it gets gross, because it's going to be loaded with stuff, and you throw it out, and then you put a new filter in there. Okay, and that's all you do. This is a wonderful machine. So if you are someone that has dry skin and you can't use chemical exfoliators, you can't use Retin-A, you can't use a granule exfoliator, but you need something to exfoliate your skin, I definitely would recommend this. Now when you see me using it, and this is a comment I got a lot of times too, is your face looks so red and irritated. It's not. If I put a lotion on my face is going to get red. Anytime I touch my face and do anything to it, I get red. This is how my skin is. So when you see it, just know that it's not hurting my face. It's not irritated. It definitely is red for a while after I do it. So when I do it, I usually do it at nighttime. I don't want to do it during the day and then my face is red for a while. So I usually do it at nighttime, and then I go ahead and load up on my moisturizers and things like that. So when you're using this, you don't use this and put Retin-A on afterwards if you're using Retin-A, okay? When you're using this, you don't go ahead and put an acid on afterwards. What you want to do is you want to moisturize it. So use an essence. Neogen is one of the essences I love. I'm testing out another one right now, but Neogen is a great essence. And what an essence will do is it will help to hydrate your skin. So after you use something like this, you need to make sure that you are hydrating your skin. So I use an essence on my face after I use it, and then I will go on and I will put my Colleen Rothschild number 9, I think it's called number 9 oil, face oil. I'll put a little bit of that on, and then I'll put a moisturizer on top of that. So I kind of seal it in, because you really have to make sure that you're moisturizing your skin after you use something like this too, I feel like, okay? So let's get into the demo. And like I said, I might be filming the ending on a different day, so I might look different, but let's do the demo. I am going to do a quick demo using this machine with the regular head, and then I am going to go ahead and show you a couple of the other ones that I haven't tried yet, and I'll let you know what I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the head on here for the original, so make sure you always have this filter on. You tap this on, and then I'm just gonna show you I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the display screen or not. Sometimes video picks it up weird, but I will try. I need my glasses on. So first you want to press the power. This thing is loud, just so you know. And then you can do automatic. So automatically it's going to tell you the settings. So it's kind of like until you get used to, yeah, see, you're not seeing the readout. You can't see the readout, but so you put it on automatic and it'll just automatically do it. Or you can go over here and you can I'll take the auto off, and then you can decide what you want to do on all those areas. I'm going to kind of go up here. I'll do level 5 on my face, okay? By your eyes, you're going to want a level 1. So this isn't very much even with this, but what you do is you drag it over your face like this. Now this head is just for your face, not by your eyes. I will do that one in a minute. This is hard, I can't see. Where's my mirror? Now my face is gonna get red, but it's not getting irritated. I mean, whenever you exfoliate or whatever, of course your face is gonna get red. So it looks worse on the monitor than it is. This is what I do. I'm doing this quick now. I probably would do this a lot longer. Not a lot longer, but I would spend a little bit more time. I'm just going quickly here, just to give me an idea. And I kind of have to do this with my face. And then I go up like this, and bring it over like this. You don't want to leave it. You want to keep moving it because you're going to feel that suction. You want to keep moving it. If you keep it in this section, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get a hickey on your face. Now I'm going to put this on. I have not tried this. This is for under your eyes. It makes me nervous. I'm going to be honest with you. Okay, this is level 1. So under my eyes. Very little. Okay, definitely it does have little. And I'm stretching my face because I have sagging skin. I'm just doing little strokes here. You gotta be careful, man, because you are doing under your eyes, okay? So level 1 is all you want to do. See how I'm just like, on the other side now. Yeah, this kind of scares me a little bit. That's all I would do, okay? Now I'm going to try the body one. And you can use this on your feet. I don't know if I want to do that. That might gross you out. I'm just going to do it on my arm, okay? So this I'm going to put up because I feel like my arm can take it. So even the back of my hand. So like I said, you could even use it on your feet, which I will have to test it out. I'm just not going to do it today. Some people don't like to see other people's feet, and you know what? I understand that. Okay, so I just did my face more. Not to be gross, but that's all the stuff for my face. Okay? Let me give you my thoughts on the attachments that I tried. So the under eye one, that's going to be a hard pass for me. I just feel like even at the lowest setting, it still kind of tugged at my eye a little bit, and I felt like my eyes, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but my eyes were a little puffy, are a little puffy today because of that. I feel like, you know, could be allergies, but I just feel like they seemed a little bit irritated under there, and I didn't do it for very long. But even in that setting, especially on mature eyes, I feel like our skin is really thin there, so I just feel like you have to be careful, and I don't know how you do it without tugging, so I would not recommend it. If you want to use it, I'm just saying I would not recommend it. The body one I think is great. I did not try it on my feet, but I will do that. I think that's great. And especially like on the back of your hands, your arms, I think it would be really good. So that I would recommend. I think that's a really nice attachment. But I've had this machine for a couple years now. I don't use it on a weekly basis anymore. I usually do it maybe once a month right now. That's where I'm at. I use it once a month, but I think in the beginning, I think I was using it once a week or once every couple weeks. I can't remember now what I was doing, so I don't want to say this is what I was doing if it wasn't. Whatever I said in the first video, that's what I was doing. But I just use it maybe once a month now because I feel like for me it's more of a treatment because I use acids, I use like other exfoliators. I don't want to over exfoliate my skin. I have to be really, really careful not to overdo it. And when you do it, you want to make sure you're doing it at night. You saw how red my face was. And then my face isn't red anymore. And there was a couple spots, I don't know if you can see it on camera, that you got to keep moving it. Because the suction will, you know, it brings the blood to the surface. So I have a couple little red spots that will go away. But it's because you got to keep it moving. If it gets, you got to keep it moving. Otherwise you get little hickeys. So you got to keep it moving. That doesn't happen very often, but it did happen, so I just wanted to share that with you. But like I said, I love the machine still, definitely would recommend it. You just, again, just be careful. You don't want to over exfoliate. So if you're using Retin-A and you're using acids and all that kind of stuff, just be careful not to overdo it. I would say once a week, or do it like I'm doing, like once a month or so as like a treatment. Like you were going to go into a spa and have your skin have Microderm done, you know what I mean? So just be really, really careful with it. Follow the directions. I'm just sharing my experience and how I use it and what I do. I'm not an expert. This is how I do it, okay? And that is it. Thank you guys so much. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please share it. I know this is helpful. This video that I did the first time has had so many views on it. Comes up in the Google search because people are looking for it because I hear about this machine. So I know that this review would be really, really helpful. So please share it to Facebook, Twitter. You can pin it on Pinterest. We would really appreciate it. And you can follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. Under eye attachment, that's going to be a hard pass. No. Let me do that again. So let's talk about the other trophy skin attachments that I tried. So the under eye attachment, that's going to be, hold on a second. I did a different eye look today and I'm like, I don't know how I feel about it, you guys. So this is the bad thing about filming something. That's the bad thing about playing with your eyes before you're going to film. It's like, I swear I feel like I have a piece of hair on me again. What the hell do I? This trophy skin machine was sent to me from this Microderm.